Hello everybody, SAF Info here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to enable dark mode on your Facebook app. Whatever you use, it can be your Facebook main app, it can be your Facebook Lite, whatever you have. So first of all, update your Facebook app from your Play Store or App Store and then open it. Here you can see the Facebook is on light mode default. So after that, go to the three dot menu, and here you can see the menu, all of those settings. So and then click to the setting and privacy option, and here you can see option that dark mode. Now click on that. Here you can see the dark mode is turned off. Even now you can use the system setting. If you use dark mode on your system from the what you can say on the notification, then you can use the system setting. Or if you use light mode on your system, then you can just have to click on uh, dark mode on option. So after that your Facebook will be on dark mode. So that's see. So I hope you like this video. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one. Bye.